Are you looking for a ranch in Hinckley or in the Highland School District? Well, we've got you covered. Welcome to 782 Walden Pond Circle. I can't wait to show you inside. Welcome, come on in. So we have gorgeous hardwood floors in the foyer, the dining room, and the living room. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas fireplace with a great mantel, completely open concept. Check out those views. First bedroom has brand new carpet and an ensuite full bath. First floor laundry with new flooring. Bedroom 2 has new carpet and fresh paint, as well as an ensuite full bath. The master bedroom offers a vaulted ceiling. The master bath with double bowl vanity, plenty of countertop space, and tile walk-in shower. His and hers walk-in closet. But wait, there's more. This is a 5,600 square foot home with a full finished walkout basement and a gorgeous stamped concrete patio. Come check it out. Entertain your friends at this beautiful custom bar. We have the 4th full bath with custom tile shower. And my absolute favorite part of this home, the stamped concrete patio, complete with ceiling fan, surround sound speakers, awesome oasis. For more details about 782 Walden Pond Circle, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath ranch home with full walkout basement, please contact me, Renee Velasquez, with the RSVP Group.